Hi guys, it's me, your Earth Science teacher, your favorite Earth Science teacher. Really, I'm your only Earth Science teacher. I miss you so much. And one of the things that we're going to be talking about is seasons, and it's kind of hard. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to demonstrate it in my backyard because I think it's going to help you. So a couple of things. My lovely daughter is videotaping. Say hi, Juliana.
Hi.
Hi. And we have a couple of things. We have the globe, okay, which is the Earth, of course. We have this multicolored ball, which is the sun, and we have yellow ball for the sun. So we're going to pretend that is all yellow, okay. And then we have the sky over here, okay, which is the North Star, which is Polaris, okay. So we're going to do the seasons, okay. We're going to start all the way over here. Okay, which is June 21st, which is the summer solstice, okay? So you have to remember that the Earth is always tilted at 23.5 degrees, right? And it's always tilted towards Polaris, okay? So make sure you got Polaris, Juliana. All right? Good job, okay? All right. So if you notice, okay, in the summer, okay, which is June 21st, okay, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards, all right, which means we get 15 hours of daylight and 9 hours of darkness. All right, that's why at like 10 o'clock it is still sunny, okay, in the summertime, all right, because of the fact that it's tilted, all right. So now we're gonna go into our next season, okay? We're gonna rotate, we're gonna revolve, we're gonna rotate, we're gonna revolve, we're gonna rotate, we're gonna revolve, all right? Now the axis doesn't tilt back and forth, okay? We're not a roller coaster, all right? That would be kind of cool if it did. Well, I don't know if it'd be cool. But the axis always points towards Polaris, all right? So in September the 23rd, okay, which is the autumnal equinox, what does that mean, Juliana? Do you know what autumnal means?
Well, I'm guessing it means fall.
Yeah, it's fall, okay? So this is the first day of fall. All right, remember the axis is always pointed towards Polaris, okay? There's nothing, okay, in the world that is tilted towards the sun. So what happens is you get 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness everywhere on the earth. That's why it's called the equinox. Okay, equinox kind of sounds like equal, all right? So everywhere has 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness. Let's go to the next one, right? We're rotating, we're revolving, we're rotating, we're revolving, we're rotating, we're revolving. Okay, and we got December 21st, which is the winter solstice. What do you think that is, Juliana?
Winter.
Yeah, the first day of winter. Good job, okay?
And it has winter in it.
Of course, oh my God. Okay, so remember, the axis is always tilted towards Polaris, okay? So if you notice, okay, the northern hemisphere where we are is tilted away, all right? And the southern hemisphere is tilted towards. So the southern hemisphere is having summer while we have winter. At this time we have 9 hours of daylight and 9 hours of daylight and 15 hours of darkness. Okay, so that's why in the wintertime it's so like it gets so dark around and like at 4 o'clock, okay, because we're getting less hours of daylight. All right, ready? Last one. We're rotating, we're revolving, we're rotating, we're revolving. Okay, now we have March 21st, which is the vernal equinox. What's that?
Well, that's the first day of spring, but it can also be on March 21st, 22nd, 23rd.
Very good. It alternates, okay? So remember, the axis is always pointed towards Polaris, okay? So if you notice, okay, nothing on Earth, okay, is tilted towards the sun. Okay, so now we have the equinox, okay, where it's 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness everywhere, all right? The last thing I want to show you, okay, so if you come around here, Juliana, okay, is the sun, go to the sun, okay, is not exactly in the middle, okay? And the reason for that is we're actually closer to the sun in the winter time, all right? Not in the summertime, all right? So it's not the nearness to the sun that tells us our season. It's the tilt of the sun. So if you go onto Jeopardy, okay, you should know that. All right, it's a tilt of the earth that gives us seasons. It's not how close we are to the sun. So I hope that helps you out because, you know, seasons are kind of tough and I would have done this in the classroom, so hopefully you guys get it. All right, if you have any questions, you know, you can always contact me. Say goodbye, Juliana.
Bye.
Bye.